KC Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
For the past couple days, winter has returned across Acadiana as cooler temperatures have been with us through most of yesterday and through the first part of today. But with some sunshine coming out, we did get those temperatures back into the upper 50s earlier this afternoon. But now we're starting to see those temperatures back off a little bit. But with a warm front moving through tonight, we're going to have a couple of days getting back into the 70s beginning tomorrow afternoon and continuing into Monday before our next front arrives late Monday into early Tuesday. So taking a look across the Gulf Coast, we can see that we do have some rain showers still back over East Texas, and northern portions of Louisiana have been dealing with those light showers through most of the day, but the heavier rains up into Arkansas, even some sleet mixing in as those very cool temperatures continue to be making their way down into the southeast. But we had a little bit of a dry air slot move in, and that's what kept us relatively dry, allowed even a little bit of that sunshine to peek through the clouds. But now you can see the southwest jet is beginning to push some of those clouds back over top the region. So it is going to be a cloudy Saturday night. You can see those mid to low level clouds working back over Acadiana as we push later on into the evening. Still have a northerly flow, but by tomorrow those winds should turn out of the south and help to warm things up. 54 degrees is what we got right now with those clouds over at the airport. Winds, as mentioned, still out of the north, a little bit on the breezy side, up around 9. But that dew point is relatively dry. But we're going to see a drastic increase in that dew point tomorrow as that front begins to lift up. But for the rest of this evening, still going to be on the cool side as we have that northerly flow in control. The front down just to our south out over the Gulf waters. But by tomorrow afternoon, that'll quickly move through the area, warming us up with temperatures pushing the upper 60s to lower 70s tomorrow afternoon. Maybe a few peaks of sunshine, but I do think with the warmer air moving over top, we will have a good bit of clouds around throughout most of the day. So kind of getting back to what we saw earlier in the week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and even into Thursday with those clouds and warm temperatures across the region. Late tomorrow evening, as we start to really get that low-level moisture going, could have 1 or 2 stray showers, but you can see the models kind of backing off on that. So most of our Sunday should be dry. A very comfortable day to get outside, get some of that yard work done as the weeds are definitely beginning to grow, so you might have to get the grass cut. By Monday morning, a few isolated showers could be in and around the area, but heavier showers will be up to our north from Arkansas over into the Midwest with the warm front. Eventually, what we will be watching is a cold front out to our west trying to head our way. So maybe some hit or miss showers Monday afternoon, another warm day. Temperatures pushing the mid 70s Monday afternoon, but eventually pushing into Monday evening. The front starts to get closer to us, 10 o'clock, just off to our north and northwest. It looks to be more of an overnight event. So I would say around 2, 3 o'clock is when the models are now projecting it to move through a good portion of Acadiana, including Lafayette. Not looking at a whole lot of rain, and most of it is out of here by Tuesday morning's commute around 7 o'clock. So maybe just some wet roadways, but I'm not expecting too many issues heading back to work and school on Tuesday morning. By Tuesday afternoon, though, northerly flows return in another cool day with temperatures in the upper 50s. As for how much rain we could see with that system Monday night into Tuesday morning, not going to be overly that much. Models only painting about 1/4 to 1/2 inch, so not a whole lot, but it will be necessary as the ground is relatively dry, so we could use all the rain we could get, but still not going to be overly that heavy. Wednesday high pressure returns, so another cool day heading into Wednesday morning, but we should be mild by the afternoon with a good bit of sunshine, maybe some clouds pushing in Wednesday afternoon as we start to get the next system heading our way. For our Valentine's, if you're heading out Thursday afternoon, not looking too bad. So maybe doing lunch with your significant other, not too many issues. But heading out to dinner, you do see the chance for maybe a few isolated showers, but a better chance heading in the Friday morning with another front sweeping through the area, bringing another shot of somewhat cooler temperatures Friday night and the Saturday morning. But we'll go a cool winter night with clouds thickening, 46 for that overnight low. And then for our Sunday, some sun early, but otherwise mostly cloudy, but warmer, 72 with winds picking up out of the east-southeast, 8 to 14 miles per hour. Mid-70s on Monday with a slight chance for rain. Best chance Monday night into Tuesday morning with clearing out, and do look dry Tuesday, Wednesday. 40% chance for maybe some isolated showers on Valentine's Day, and continuing to linger into Friday morning with temperatures dropping back down into the 60s. So we're still riding the temperature roller coaster over the next 10 days, but not going to be nearly as drastic as what we just dealt with on Friday.
Yeah, the weather's been kind of all over the place.
You know, 80s to 40s, back up to 70s, but it does look like only 60s this time around for the drop.
All right, thank you, Eric.